The Gemini Credit Card is a unique way to turn everyday spending into a chance to invest in cryptocurrency effortlessly. It stands out by offering real-time crypto rewards on every purchase, which are instantly deposited into your Gemini account, allowing you to potentially benefit from any increase in value over time. The reward rates are compelling: 4% back on gas, EV charging, transit, taxis, and rideshare, 3% back on dining, 2% back on groceries, and 1% back on everything else. Plus, there are no annual fees, foreign transaction fees, or exchange fees for converting your rewards into crypto. This makes it an attractive option for those wanting to dip into the world of crypto without incurring extra costs. One of the best parts is how flexible the reward system is. Users can choose from over 50 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, to match their investment preferences, and they can switch their selection anytime. The card is also thoughtfully designed for security, with no card number printed on the physical card itself, reducing the risk of fraud. Instead, users can access their details securely through the Gemini app or web platform. Coupled with MasterCard's built-in benefits like fraud monitoring and identity theft protection, it's reassuring to see that security hasn't been overlooked. A standout perk for new cardholders is the welcome offer, a hefty $200 worth of crypto after spending $3,000 within the first 90 days if you're approved by June 30th, 2025. For regular shoppers or anyone with major purchases coming up, this is a tempting incentive to dive in. Additionally, the card caters to families with options for adding authorized users to maximize rewards on combined spending. That said, the Gemini credit card does come with its trade-offs. While real-time crypto rewards are exciting, the value of those rewards depends on the highly volatile nature of the cryptocurrency market. Just as they can appreciate in value, they can also drop sharply, putting your reward's worth at risk. It's also worth noting that while the card allows you to earn crypto seamlessly, it doesn't provide broader travel or lifestyle perks that more traditional premium rewards cards might offer. So those who don't care about crypto investing might not find as much value here. Finally, the high welcome bonus and reward rates are attractive, but remain most beneficial if the primary goal is frequent and consistent spending paired with a genuine interest in growing crypto holdings. In summary, the Gemini credit card combines simplicity, flexibility, and innovation, making it an excellent option for anyone already invested in crypto or looking to start exploring it passively through everyday spending. With no hidden fees and generous reward rates, it's a low-risk entry point into crypto investing. However, the potential downside stems from the volatile nature of cryptocurrencies, meaning the value of your rewards can swing dramatically. If you're comfortable with that risk and looking for a way to seamlessly invest as you spend, this card could be a solid option. Just remember that crypto comes with its uncertainties, so use the card wisely and with rewards diversification in mind.